Welcome back to Test Automation Solutions. In previous video, I have talked about how LinkedIn could help for job seekers. Today, I will talk about how to complete your LinkedIn profile and important sections of your profile. Let's get started. So, complete your LinkedIn profile. What does this mean? Complete your profile is essential, meaning you need to add title, summary of your overall experience. You need to upload your profile picture, add work experience, skills, accomplishments, recommendations, add education, etc. When you complete your profile, recruiters will notice you easily. That leads to get more interview calls. If you get more interview calls, your chances of getting your dream job would be improved significantly. Furthermore, what is extremely important is that how your LinkedIn profile is being presented to hiring managers and recruiters. When the profile is complete, your profile is going to stand out over other profiles. As for LinkedIn, when your profile is complete, you would get 20x more profile views. So if profile is incomplete, what's going to happen? When recruiters are found incomplete profile in LinkedIn, they may be skeptical about you because they might think that you're hiding something. They might look for better profiles, which is not good for us, and that lead to miss a great opportunity for you. So let us ensure that we should complete our profile. Now let's go to linkedin.com and see the steps to complete your profile. Bring up your browser, log into linkedin.com. So when you log into linkedin.com, you are going to land on the home page. So if you want to see your profile, just click on this little icon. Click view profile. Now you are landed on your profile. The first thing I should do is add my profile photo. Click here, click upload photo, select your photo, click open. Make some adjustments using these features like crop, filter, adjustment, and visibility, etc. And then click save photo. So now your photo is uploaded. So the next important section I will look at is that add profile section. Click on add profile. So in order to add profile section, and click on this pencil icon. So I'm already added my first name, last name, and headline while creating my profile. So that's why you are able to see all these details over here. So if you are not added your headline, go ahead and add your current job title as your headline. So when recruiters are searching for test automation architect, they will search with title or headline. So that's why it is very essential to update your headline to find your profile in recruiters search. Once you added your headline, and then you need to add the country that you are living in and zip code and location within this area. You can probably give here the city in which you are living, and you can give the industry that you are working in. So in my case, I'm working in information technology and services, and click save. And also, if you want to see the contact information, you can click on contact info. And this is your profile URL. So whenever any hiring manager or recruiter find your resume in other job portals, they will ask for your LinkedIn profile. So you need to click on contact info and copy this profile, pass it to them. And also the email that is used by recruiters is your email ID, which is given here. You cancel. And then I'm coming to my dashboard to see my profile strength. So here you are seeing the profile strength as beginner. So which means that the profile is quite incomplete. Now I wanted to see what else need to be completed. So here, if you are keep clicking next, LinkedIn is going to show you what is not complete. So click next. So university is not complete yet. Click next. Skills are not yet added. Click next. Summary is not yet added. So first let me finish. Where do you currently work? So in order to finish this one, click add current position. Just give your title. My title is test automation architect. Click continue. What's your company name? I'm working at IBM, so I'm picking this one. And start date and end date of this company. If this is your current company, you just need to check, I currently work here. Otherwise, you need to uncheck. I started working from January 2005. So still I'm working here. So that's why I checked I currently work here and clicking add to profile. So region. So you need to enter the location. I'm entering the city of the, so here I'm just entered current company's location. Click save. Click done. So got it. So here you see that your profile is promoted to intermediate when you complete your current work experience. So got it. And then now you are back to dashboard. Then let us add university, which is missing. Just click add education to enter your education details. So you pick the university here. And then click add to profile. So you need to enter here from and 2 years. So I went to school for my higher education in 2000. I finished in 2003. Click save. You can give your field of study. My field of study is computer science. And degree, you can give post graduation. Click save, click done. So now you complete the education as well. So now what else is pending? So add skills. So LinkedIn is suggesting you to add your skill set, which is extremely important to find recruiters. Your profile, they will look at your skill set to see whether your skill set is matching with the current open position that they have. So let's not wait. Let's complete your skills. You add 5 skills. I'm in test automation. I'm adding this one. And I'm in information technology sector. I'm adding this. And I'm in testing. I'm adding this. And I'm adding other skills which are not given here. For example, I'm working on Selenium WebDriver. I'm adding this one here. I'm working on Protractor. Click add summary to add your expertise. And here I'm going to enter my experience, my industry, my skill set, and also my achievements, and also your previous job experiences. So I'm going to write my summary like this. And also I have integrated with SAS Labs to perform cross-browser testing and execute my test cases on real devices, etc. So click add to profile. So the summary is done. Now you have completed all important sections of your profile. So you got all stars status. Here, if you see the message from LinkedIn, you are in a league of your own. Your profile is 20x more likely to be found in recruiters' research, which is really incredible. So you are not going to miss any one of these opportunities, which is really good. And also, they have mentioned additional benefit that up to 3x more profile traffic from search feed and my network. So you can scroll down here to see your profile strength. Your dashboard, and here LinkedIn is going to show that the all-star status, but it will take a while. Just let me refresh and to see if it is already updated or not. Yeah, there you go. See, here you see all-star status. So you're all set to find your dream job and salary. Okay. Now let me come back to dashboard and see my profile status. My profile status is all-star now. So which means you are 100% complete your profile. So which is great. And this helps to find your resume 20x more times in recruiters research. This is really incredible. So let me quickly review the sections that I have added. I have added the summary, the job title by just clicking on this pencil. And then I'm added my experience, my current company experience. And if you are working in, more than one company, please click this plus symbol and add all your experiences. And education also, if you want to add your undergraduation and other education details, and just click this plus button and add your education. I hope this video is useful for you to complete your LinkedIn profile. In next video, I will talk about job seeking preferences and create notifications, which is very, very important to tell the recruiters that you are open to the opportunities. And also, whenever you do the job search and you create the notification of that job search. Say, for example, I'm searching for a job of estate. Whenever I have list of companies fetched from LinkedIn, so I will create a notification for that estate so that you don't need to LinkedIn every day to look for the estate jobs. Whenever LinkedIn finds estate jobs, they will send the notification to your email ID, so that whenever you check your email ID, you find that, hey, this is a relevant job for me. You can just click on it and apply for that job. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.